To me, makeup does the same thing. Whether it's drugstore makeup or whether it is high-end makeup, makeup is makeup. It just depends on how you guys apply it and what you guys decide to do with it.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all good. So today I'm just going to be doing a little get ready with me. If you guys want to follow along, please go ahead and do so. And if you do, let me know down in the comment section how it went for you. And if you guys don't follow along and just watch the video, thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for watching the whole video. And with that being said, let's get started. I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Glass Correct Primer. A little goes a long way. I'm going to be doing my eyebrows. So my videos consist of me using a lot of drugstore makeup because I know that a lot of us can't really afford to be buying brand names all the time. And if you do have brand names, it's like good. I'm not saying anything bad. I'm just saying that many people prefer drugstore because one, they can just get it at every corner, meaning Rite Aid, Walmart, whatnot, and it's convenient. For the other top brands, you have to go to specific stores. Also, many people don't have the money to be purchasing expensive makeup or super high-end makeup. To me, makeup does the same thing. Whether it's drugstore makeup or whether it is high-end makeup, makeup is makeup. It just depends on how you guys apply it and what you guys decide to do with it. I'm going to be using this palette, Revolution. So all I'm doing is I'm getting a little bit of that black eyeshadow and applying it to my eyelid. I'm going to go ahead and apply a little bit of eyeliner. I'm going to be using the Voluminous Millie Lashes. I really like this mascara. This is the final look. What do you guys think? If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It helps me bring you guys more videos like this. And if you have, thank you so much. I hope you guys have a good evening, morning, night, wherever you're at. Until next time. Bye guys.